another morning in paradise. How can you ever get tired of waking up to this view? So we just got ready to start our day. We're gonna go get some breakfast. It'll be our first breakfast at the buffet because yesterday we got the floating breakfast. So far the food has been really good. They do have a lot of Indian cuisine, but they also have just a little bit of everything. Like last night we went to the Italian restaurant and it was really good. So I'm sure breakfast will be amazing and I'm hungry, so I'm looking forward to it. And then after that, we have a spa appointment today, and our plan is to spend most of the day at the beach because we've really been enjoying like the pool and stuff, so we really want to go to the nice beach area and spend the day there. And then at night we have a romantic little dinner set up, so looking forward to it.
Let's go. All right, ready for some bites?
Let's go. Let's go get our island vehicles.
Alright, what's your order, baby?
I got 2 meatballs.
What you got in this?
Korean style pancake. Let's try.
Let's see.
Oh, that looks so good. Oh, I think we had one of those.
I think that's what we had yesterday, but the ones we had were wrong.
Look at this guy, Del looking healthy, getting watermelon. And then look at me. Breakfast is done. And now we have to go figure out our spa appointment. We don't remember if it was 10 or 11. But breakfast was amazing. Everyone here is so nice. Like, you walk by anyone, they're like, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. And I'm like, they do it while I'm biking. And it's like, dude, don't talk to me. I'm too concentrated.
Look at the people going out to stop.
Oh, it's so low right now.
They're just walking.
Look, we've never been over there. Let's go over there. We still have parts of the island we haven't even explored. So we're obviously from Florida, so we should be used to palm trees and coconut trees. But I feel like here, there's just so different. Like, the vibe they give off is different. This gives me like Tulum vibes. Alright guys, we are at our spa treatment. Some cold towels, some butterfly tea in this view.
No, I'm sure that is. I'm manually going my thing.
Put it in your face, it feels so good. It's so hot. And I'm sunburnt, so it feels good. So after an amazing spa experience, we came here to the best beach on the island. It's called Paramon Lounge, and this is actually where we're having our dinner tonight as well. You can see the heart on the sand already. But this beach is just absolutely amazing. Wait till you guys see it. And this is the only part on the island that you could fly the drone. So Yaidel is also going to take advantage of that. But you guys ready for this view? Look at that. Amazing.
Maybe we should set up camp under the little palm tree.
Yeah. How cute is my little baggie? I got it on Etsy. If you guys want details on it, let me know and I can put the link. Wow guys, look at this. This is amazing.
It's so nice.
Yeah, the water, not only is the color beautiful, but the temperature is like amazing. So I wear a little cute bathing suit and we're gonna do a little photo shoot.
Are you ready? Let's take pictures now.
Yeah.
Para meternos.